and my time is money, no auto mall. See, bar for bar, I keep it pushing, no R&R. No foreign bras and no promotion for foreign cars. The game is ours, let's keep it funky, who said he was? Like Staten Island, Italians bleed spaghetti sauce. If y'all ain't shaking with stagging, then y'all already lost.
That's cool. You guys agreed on it or what? You guys agreed on it or what?
I told you, like, it's once in a lifetime experience in Japan, you know? The second time I didn't have a hot pass, the first time I did.
Alright guys, so we got the tow bed from U-Haul. About to go pick up my little sister because she's going with us. And also at my mom's house is my new Borla exhaust. So we're gonna pick that up, and it actually kind of all worked out because I can get my exhaust installed in Mexico while we drop off the Integra, all in the same weekend. So it's gonna be like a double feature video. So yeah, guys.
Hey, no tickle cut.
See tickle cut?
Ow, but
Finally showed up.
sexy ass.
Careful.
I think it should be good.
We should be fine.
Yeah, we should.
Hello, sir. Oh, thank you.
A little more. You're good.
Oh yeah?
Cool. Let's go.
We need fuel?
Yeah, vamos. No, we filled up yesterday
Okay.
before we went home.